In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up text, images, and shapes so your slides look clean, consistent, and professional. Start by opening Google Slides and loading the presentation you want to work on. You can follow along with an existing project or a blank slide. The process is the same either way. Next, make the rulers visible. Go to the View menu at the top and choose Show Ruler. You'll immediately see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your slide. These rulers give you a quick sense of spacing and position, which is especially helpful when you're aiming for symmetrical layouts or consistent margins. If you already see them, you're all set and can move on. Now let's add guides. Guides are those thin lines you can place on your slide to help you align objects precisely. To create a horizontal guide, click and drag from the top ruler down onto your slide, then release where you want it. To create a vertical guide, click and drag from the left ruler toward the middle of the slide. You can add as many guides as you need, and they'll stretch across the canvas so you can line things up at a glance. They won't show up when you present or export your slides, they're just there to help you design. Positioning the guides is simple. Hover over a guide until your cursor indicates you can move it, then drag it to a new location. Use these lines to align the edges of text boxes, center images, or keep consistent spacing between shapes. A good tip is to set a pair of guides that define your left and right margins, then use additional guides to mark consistent spacing from the top and between key elements. If you ever want to remove a guide, just click it and drag it back onto the ruler area. When you let go, it disappears. This only removes the guide you dragged, so your other guides will stay in place. For even cleaner results, consider turning on snap alignment. When this is enabled, objects will automatically nudge into place as they get close to your guides, making it easier to land elements exactly where you want them. If things feel too sticky, you can always switch it off later. And that's it. You can now use rulers and guides to align content in Google Slides with confidence. Thanks for watching.